What's up, y'all? We're gonna be making a video on cleaning, how to clean foamposite cough drops today. This is my first video. Let's get started. So what you want to do is, get your bar soap bowl, make some hot water. Clear hot water. Make sure it's bubbly. Spin around. About like this. Move your soap around in there. Like that. Keep your bar soap in there so it could get more soapy if it's not already. Take an old toothbrush, any old toothbrush that you don't use. Don't use anybody's toothbrush. They will be upset. I'm going to show you. And these are the foams that I have. These are the foams I just got. Cough drops. Yes. Cough drop foams. I just cleaned this one. Should look good. They are real. Bottom a little messed up though. Alright. Still straight. That penny logo back there. Yeah. But yeah, this is what I'm going to clean with. So, basically what you want to do is take your rag. You're going to spin that thing around the soap water. Make sure you be careful above this line. And trace outside the line. Scrub your way around that line. Make sure you get in between the cracks and everything. Clean that. And this is what you're going to do. You want to continue to do this. And anytime anytime somebody step on it, this process will always work. Oh yeah, make sure you put a tiny bit of shampoo in your water, in your bowl. Cause all that shampoo gets rid of the scratches and marks and all that. It do work. This is what it's gonna look like. The whole shoe should look like this. If not, to make your water real soapy. Now what you're gonna do is, this is the time you gotta take your time. You wanna wet one end of the rag. You wanna just gently wipe around the edge of where the laces are. Literally like that. Around this edge right here. Just gonna wipe down and just wipe all over. Make sure you get all your soap out. Use the whole rag now. Just one side. Oh yeah, another good thing is that when you do this, the shoe actually gets shiny. the whole shoe is way more shiny than it was before. So that's another good thing about doing this process. You're not actually just cleaning it, you're actually making it look better. Remember that. Any foams, they will look better. Now look at this. Look at that. Way more clean, way more shinier. I actually like my bottom too. That's why my bottom's it's straight red. If your phone's not real, the phones just sound like you scratching like a. Oh yeah, I will be doing a video on fake phones and real phones. I will show y'all. I'm not afraid to show anybody. Gotta be truthful sometimes. Gotta be truthful with everything. But yeah, this is the video. A clean phone, cough drop phone. Whatever. I just like these. I love phones. Yeah. I will do a flip video. Flip video. Peace.